Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. So I finally decided to do a Michaels diamond painting haul. I know. I don't like Michaels. I don't like their prices. Of course, Michaels is a little bougie, so we put on our diamonds for our diamond painting haul, our faux diamonds here. I have on my colorful diamonds. I actually got these from a store called Versona a long time ago. If you guys have never shopped at Versona, you definitely should. Its parent company is Cato, so would highly recommend. And I got this one from Cato. It was like maybe less than $5 at the time because it was Cato had some of like the best jewelry clearances, just FYI. So never skip that jewelry section at Cato. So let's get into the diamond painting haul from Michaels. Now, I don't have my receipt. I don't know exact pricings for all this, but expect Michaels pricing. Okay. So the first things were actually on sale at the time when I purchased them from Michaels. So I did get these cups for $8 a piece. I ordered online and I picked up in store for these too. So that's the best way to shop at Michaels anyway, is to order online and to pick up in store, because you can use the online code, and you can't use that discount code in store. So I did get these diamond art tumbler kits. I saw this on a short and I was like, oh, I want these. And it comes with the plastic tumbler with the lid, a pre-printed adhesive sheet, 6 colors of gem bags, 5 plastic bags, 1 craft tray, 2 wax caddies, 1 stylus, and an instruction sheet. So I'm actually going to open this one because I love opening these, because each oops, let me get some thinner scissors before I have an accident on camera. I like opening these because we get to see how they package them. Every kit sometimes looks a little different depending on what brand, what store, all that jazz. So looks like you get some instructions, and it's a sticky piece that will just fold around the cup. I love that there's not a lot of colors. I love when it's not a lot of colors because, of course, I'm a beginner. And this is the cup, just a regular kind of plastic coffee cup. Okay. Yeah, this feels like a PVC. Woo! Doing all those ones. And I guess, so yeah, it's a little opening there. Some little left over there. Okay. So, oops. So it comes with the 6 colors, which look easy enough. So you've got 3 packs of the number 1 because it's so many of those. And then it looks like we have, I love that it's all pink, the tray, the stylus, and the wax. So that's these. You could probably still catch these on sale if you haven't purchased them already. I prefer diamond painting kits that are usable. I'm not a person that just loves to frame things and, you know, put things, put frames and stuff in my house. So when I'm purchasing diamond painting kits, I'm wanting to make sure that I can use them. I forgot how this was packaged that quick. But I'm going to repackage this and then come back. Looking closer at the cup, you do have this lid. I do love that you have the slide open lid closure, and then this part comes apart too. So I do love that you can break the cup all the way down when assembling it. These next 2 are from Creatology, the Diamond Art Keychain Kit. I love these because these are we're in the kids section, and the diamonds are bigger and it's just super quick. I mean, look how quick these are going to be. And so I'm going to open this. I love that it comes in this bag, this reusable plastic bag here. The kids stuff is always the best stuff. They make things packaged so easy and neat and cute for them. So these are the big keychains. You guys, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I love keychain, uh, uh, keychaining things together. And I love that I don't have to assemble this. See, this is what I wish all the other keychains would do. Just put the keychain link on the acrylic thing for me. Just do it for me, because I hate the tiny pieces. Like, don't make me work with tiny pieces. I'm already working with tiny drills. Just put the keychains on for me. So they already did that, which is a big plus. Then you have some larger drills here. I love that they're a little bit larger. Okay, and 4 plastic keychains, only 159. Small round gems, 8 colors, 1 tray, 1 wax pad, 1 pen. I love that this is a blue stylus and a blue tray. This is my very first blue stylus and blue tray. Love this for me. I'm like collecting all the colors at this point. So I love how this is packaged, and these are perfect to go ahead and take on a trip with you. More diamond painting at the beach. These are the types of kits you want to take because they're small and they're quick. And if you're at the beach during the summer where you're doing activities like going out and stuff, this would be a great after, you spend the day at the beach activity. Or if there's bad weather, unexpected bad weather, and you can't really go out, you have an activity to do while you're inside the room. But for me, I've been going to the beach during the coldest months of the year for the South. And I really just go so that I can look out at the water and be at peace. So you can look out at the water, be at peace, and diamond paint. And I love that for me. So these would be some kits that I would take with me on a beach trip. So then I purchased these 3, and they're all a little different. So this is a diamond art kit for this little hanging thingy. What do you even call it? Just a plywood. Comes with a cording, stylus grip cover, craft tray, wax caddy, instructions. And then y'all, I found capybara. So I'm not big on bigger sheets. I don't like to go big with diamond painting because I just don't want to go big, y'all. But this is an 8 by 10, and I was going to get it regardless because it's capybara. And these are square gems, okay? So this is going to be a little different for me. These are square gems, and I've seen people work with square gems and kind of give their commentary about them. So I don't know how I'm going to feel about those. And then I finally did get one of the bookmark kits. These bookmark kits are everywhere. So I am curious on if all of these look the same on the inside. So I'm going to unpackage these. So the packaging initially comes like this. I love packaging. And I love opening packaging. So I love that we get the extra bags to keep your drills if you don't have your own containers on you. This is perfect to travel with, and then you could bring stickers so that you could write what number the drills are to bring back to put in your own organization system later. And then I love that they already put the grip on this particular stylus for you. I love that they put the wax in a container. And then I also love that this gray tray is flat. I love the flatter trays. And then we also have the gems, which look great. And then we have the key here. I love that there's not a lot of colors. We have some instructions. And then we have the actual piece. Now, I still may be able to put this in a journal. I have bigger journals. I still may be able to put this in a bigger journal and use some special glue to glue that. I think that's what's going to end up happening. Because I have no desire to hang it anywhere. I could take it to hang it. No, I don't do that. I'm going to have to put this in a journal, and it's not too big because I have some big journals. This is gorgeous. This is so me because, obviously it's, where's the picture? Obviously it's sitting in front of the sea. Y'all know when we go to Coco Cay, this is how it looks. Gorgeous. For any non-cruisers that may be watching, Coco Cay is Royal Caribbean's private island. So all my cruisers, all my cruiser babes and cruiser dudes. You know Coco K if you've been cruising. So the capybara kit comes with the same color tray, stylus, and plastic bags. Makes sense because it's the same brand. Then we have all these beautiful square drills, y'all. Square drills. Now, first of all, I'm in no rush to do this one because it's an 8x10. But I do love that it's fabric on the back. This, when I'm done, I could cut close around it and put it in a journal, so that makes me happy. And then I have some capybara stickers that I can put around it and make a really cute journal spread. Cappy looks so good. I'm gonna have to do this one. Ugh. It's still not a terrible amount of colors. Oh no, there's two sides of colors. Oh, they put it on the bottom and at the top for you to see. Oh, that's great. That's really great. So you have two angles to see the key here. I love me some capybara, even though he's a rodent. And then you have this like canvas side here. So that's the Cappy one. I can use this for journaling because I'll just cut close. Love that. I love how all of this is coming packaged. It looks like this is packaged the same way with these bookmarks. So I won't open these, I don't think. These are just the acrylic bookmarks, and you have the same tray and stylus and everything. The last thing that I purchased from Michaels for diamond painting is this diamond art tray set. I'm going to be possibly traveling with this. I feel like I never have enough trays when I start diamond painting. Not drill trays, but I feel like I never have enough trays to put other stuff. Like sometimes I want my waxes like in trays. Yeah, this is perfect for my wax. And then I could put drills in here too. I love that. I love that these are removable. Oh, yeah. And then you got one big drill tray. Yeah, this is dope. So like for this blue and Cappy, this is just using the one big drill tray. That's brilliant. This is the biggest drill tray that I have so far. I am aware of all the storage solutions and all the cool drill trays that you can buy. And I'm just taking my time and seeing which ones I want to get. Of course, consumerism and consumption, you know, with diamond painting, you can buy all sorts of things and spend all sorts of money. So I know about all the solutions out there, but I like this one. This one will be great to travel with. I love this for traveling. So this will probably go with me to my next diamond painting by the sea. Let me know if you have any of these kits. Let me know what you think about the square drills if you're a diamond painter. If you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and put some dollar signs or money bags in the comments. And I hope to see you guys real soon. I'm really enjoying my diamond painting journey. Let me know if you're a beginner like me or if you've been diamond painting for years. I'd love to hear your story and how it has helped you. It definitely calms me. You know, sometimes I listen to music, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just sit, I just put the drill on the number. I just sit in the quiet and I just let life be. And I love that for me with this. I love that. So let's talk about it. I'll see you guys real soon. And take care of yourselves. Bye.